Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look about the KPI card visual in the Power BI, and this visual is really helpful when we want to see the aggregate metrics in a report like total sales, total profit, last year's sales, last year profit, or how much unit we have sold. And this is very helpful for the business context. To create it, first we have to select this card visualization in the visualization pane. I'm copying it 4 times to create a different matrix. Now first we want to see the total sales that we have. It's a $14.92 million sales that we have, and we also want to see total profit. It's a 1.52 million total profit, and the last year sales $11 million last year sale, and the last one, it's a profit margin. We have a profit margin of 10.20%. We can also format these card visuals. I'm selecting all of these visuals, and there is a format option in this visualization pane. Click it. We have different options like cards, multi-card layout, call out, and also image. According to our need, we can format these visuals. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.